Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can use filters and SmartViews in your All Opportunities search in the Opportunities applet of Command. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sign into Command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. Once we are signed in, we are going to navigate over to the Opportunities applet. Now, our applet's menu is on the left-hand side. The Opportunities applet is about halfway down. It's going to be what looks like a handshake happening here. And so we'll click on that. Now, to go see all of our opportunities, first it's going to bring us to the pipeline view where we can see all of our individual pipelines. For the sake of today, we are going to go to the All Opportunities tab where we can see all of them listed out here. This includes closed opportunities, under contract opportunities, and whatever phase they're in. It just has all of the opportunities, including the different types, listings, buyers, leases, anything like that. They're all going to show up in your All Opportunities tab. So first thing first, we have some filter options here. So for example, if we are looking through our listing opportunities, we can filter right here. And we can search by market center. If you are part of multiple market centers, you can filter by the different market centers you're a part of so that you can find the opportunities that are linked to that specific market center. That may be a great option for creating a smart view, which I'll walk you through in a minute with a different filter, since we only have one in this demo account. Opportunity type right here. You can go down, you have your listing, buyer, tenant, or landlord. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go with a listing opportunity here. Actually, we'll go listing and buyer, and then we're just going to go ahead and we'll say active. So this is going to be our active listings and buyers. We'll leave our tenant and landlord off of this one just for the sake of playing around with these filters today. We can scroll down to our contacts or our tags. Maybe if we just wanted to take these off, so the opportunity type and status, and we just wanted to filter by tags, you can do that. So if you have military, we can filter by that. The owner, assignee, close date. So if we want to change the close date, we can do that as well. And we'll just click apply and give that a second to go into effect. So once it is loaded, again, these are just going to be all of the opportunities that have that tag that we filtered. So these are, again, just going to be the ones with the tag of military. So we can go in and we can create a smart view. Now, this is very similar to your contacts applet, where a smart view is basically going to be a set of filters that you can just reapply multiple times. So you don't have to go through all of the filters all over again. So maybe we want to do one filter. We have multiple that are under contract, so we'll look at the under contract one. We'll apply it. So we have those multiple filters. We have two different filters applied. We can change our columns, and that'll work for SmartViews as well. Maybe we want to have the contract date on here, and we don't need the time frame, or the phase and stage, or the listing price. We'll just remove some of these extra columns just so you can see. Now we'll go ahead and we'll do that. We can drag and drop these around. So if we want to have our close date up at the very top, we should be able to grab and drag and drop that. We can make it smaller or bigger if we wanted to. For some reason, it didn't drag when I did that originally. But we can go ahead and we'll just go here and click Create Smart View. And so then we can name our smart view right here. So we'll go ahead and we'll say our pending under contract military. Oh, spell that right. And then we can set this as a default smart view if that's what you want to be able to view each time. So each time you open your All Opportunities tab, it will go to your default smart view. We'll go ahead and say create here. And now if we go, we'll exit and come back to our All Opportunities tab. It's going to automatically bring us back to our default smart view, which is just our All Opportunities. But you can click this smart view drop down right here, and we can see right here we have that smart view we just created. We can click on that. It's going to automatically apply all of our filters, adjust our columns automatically. So you have those options for you. SmartViews are a great way to find the same searches over and over again. That way you don't have to keep applying your filters and remembering which ones you have applied. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.